Hello everyone, welcome to the series of mathematics lessons. In this presentation, we shall study about symmetrical figures. Symmetrical figures. Observe this beautiful butterfly. A straight line is being drawn on this butterfly at certain part of a paper. When you fold this paper, one part of the shape matches with the other part of the shape. This is one of the example of symmetrical figure. The straight line is called axis of symmetry. We call a given figure as a symmetrical figure if it has at least one axis of symmetry. In the example A, both these shapes are symmetrical figures because it has at least one axis of symmetry. In this case, it has two axes of symmetry. When you fold this rectangle vertically, this part will be matched with this part. When you fold this rectangle shape vertically, this part will match the other part. Even for this rectangle, it has got two axes of symmetry. In example B, the given figure is circle. We can notice 1, 2, 3. We can draw as many as axes of symmetry on circle, passing through the center of circle. This has no limit. We can draw as many as axes of symmetry on circle. In example 3, for this given line, this figure is not symmetrical, but when we draw the axis at this region, this figure becomes a symmetrical figure. But for this axis of symmetry, this figure is not a symmetrical figure. Same thing goes for the red figure. Some of the examples of symmetrical figures. This letter A is an example of symmetrical figure. Kannada script Li is also one of the example of symmetrical figure. Some of the examples of non-symmetrical figures. This triangle is one of the example of non-symmetrical figure. We cannot find an axis of symmetry for this triangle. If we draw here and if we fold this triangle, it might look like this. This is not a symmetrical figure. The map of Karnataka is also an example of non-symmetrical figures. We cannot find an axis of symmetry for Karnataka map as well. Symmetrical cubical figures. Anu and Manu had bought cakes of different shapes. We can see different shapes of cakes. They cut cake into two equal parts. Once in the first example, cake is being cut into two equal parts. We can see that both look symmetrical. When the cone is being cut from tip to the diameter of the base of the circle, we get two equal halves which are symmetrical. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.